Students, today I am going to discuss the topic proper and improper fractions. Let us understand first what do you mean by proper fraction. In a proper fraction, numerator is smaller than the denominator. Proper fractions are less than 1. For example, the fractions 2 by 3, 4 by 5 and 7 by 9 are the proper fractions as numerators are smaller than the denominators. Now what do you mean by improper fraction? In an improper fraction, numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Fractions which are equal to or more than one whole are called as improper fractions. For example, the fractions 7 by 5, 13 by 3, 4 by 4 are the improper fractions. Improper fraction can also be written as mixed numeral. Now let us discuss the exercise 6.6, question number A. Change improper fraction to a mixed numeral. Here you can see the fraction. This is 9 by 4. 9 by 4 is an improper fraction since numerator is greater than the denominator. Now to change the improper fraction to a mixed numeral, we divide numerator 9 by the denominator 4. So here you can see the division. I have divided 9 by 4. 4 2s are 8 and 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. While writing the improper fraction to a mixed numeral, we always keep the denominator as it is. Here 2 is the whole number that we write here and remainder that we got we write in the numerator. Hence 2 1 by 4 is the mixed numeral. Let us see some more example. Change improper fraction 8 by 5 to a mixed numeral. So let us divide 8 by 5. Now 5 ones are 5 and 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Here your whole number is 1 and the remainder that you got is your numerator. Hence while writing the mixed numeral, first we keep the denominator as it is, which is 5. Then we write the whole number 1 here and remainder that we got we write in the numerator. Hence 1 3 upon 5 is the mixed numeral of the given improper fraction. See the another example. The improper fraction now is 20 by 3. Again to change this improper fraction to a mixed numeral, let us divide 20 by 3. Now 3 6 are 18. 20 minus 18 is equal to 2. In this division, the quotient is 6 which we call as a whole number. Remainder is 2 which we write as a numerator. So here you can see I have kept the denominator as it is while writing the mixed numeral. Then whole number I have written here and remainder that we got I have written in the numerator. So 6 2 upon 3 is the mixed numeral of the given improper fraction. Now let us discuss the question number B. Change mixed numeral to improper fraction. Now in this question, some mixed numerals are given to us and we are asked to convert them into improper fractions. So let's see how to do it. See the first mixed numeral. It is 1 and 1 upon 4. While converting this mixed numeral to improper fraction, we multiply the whole number and denominator. And then we add numerator to it. So here you can see I have multiplied 1 into 4 plus I have added 1 to it and kept the denominator as it is. Now 1 into 4 become 4 plus 1 will come down and denominator will be same. Now 4 plus 1 become 5 and denominator will be same. Hence the improper fraction become 5 by 4. Let's see the another example. Here the mixed numeral is 1 and 2 upon 3. Again to convert this mixed numeral to improper fraction, first we multiply the whole number and denominator. Now it's 1 into 3 plus then we add numerator to it. So I have added 2. Now 3 into 1 3 plus 2. Denominator will come as it is. Now 3 plus 2 become 5 and in the denominator we'll get 3 only. Hence the improper fraction is 5 upon 3. Let us see some more example. Here the mixed numeral is 2 and 3 upon 4. Now to change this mixed numeral to improper fraction, first we multiply the whole number and denominator, and then we add numerator to it, and we keep the denominator as it is. So here you can see I have written 2 into 4 plus 3 upon 4. Now 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Then plus 3 will come down as it is and denominator will be same. Then in the next step I have written 8 plus 3 which is equal to 11 and denominator will be same, which is 4. Hence the improper fraction is 11 upon 4. Now see the last example. The mixed numeral is 2 and 2 by 3. Let us convert it into improper fraction. First we multiply 2 and 3, that is the whole number and denominator, and then we add numerator to it. So 2 into 3 plus 2 upon 3. In the next step what we will get? 2 into 3 is 6, plus 2 will come down as it is and denominator will be same. In the next step I have written the addition of 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 upon 3. Hence the improper fraction is 8 upon 3. Likewise you can convert the improper fraction to a mixed numeral and mixed numeral to improper fraction.